Pick the wrong trigger timing in PostgreSQL and your validation won't run until it's too late. A before trigger fires before the insert. Update it, or delete actually modifies the table. That before is everything. Think of it as database middleware. When it fires, you get full access to the anydo row, the data about to be written. You can validate it, transform it, or overwrite field values entirely. Uppercase a name, enforce a salary floor, strip whitespace, all before a single byte hits the table. And a before trigger can stop the operation entirely. Raise an exception inside the trigger function and the statement rolls back completely. Or for row-level triggers, return NULL and that specific row is silently skipped, with no error thrown. And after trigger fires, once the operation has fully completed and the data is committed to the table, you cannot modify that original row at this point. But you know exactly what was written, and that's the point. Use after triggers for side effects, writing to an audit log, syncing changes to a reporting or analytics table, or sending notifications downstream. Because the data is already persisted, these triggers are perfect for cascading updates to other tables. Before triggers intercept and validate before data lands. After triggers react once it does. Know the timing. Control the database. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.